You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these hosts. If you want to learn more confusing names that many are mispronouncing, stay tuned. Here's a British radio presenter in the BBC. Let's hear how he says his name.
Folks, Tom Ravenscroft here.
Tom Ravenscroft, not Raven. Tom Ravenscroft. Ravenscroft. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.